Hey guys, welcome back to my channel and this is Urvashi, and today's video I'm going to explain you how you can create the design system for your projects. So today I'm going to show you how you can add different colors to your design system. Then in my next video I will tell you how you will add the typography. Then I will show you how you will add reusable components like buttons, text fields and etc. Then I will show you how you can add icons for your project. So in today's video, I will show you how you can add colors to your design system. So first of all, I will give you a brief about your design system. A design system is a collection of reusable UI elements that product teams use and build on to create a consistent user experience across digital products. So basically it is a collection of reusable UI components like colors, buttons, icons, typography and etc. So let's just begin with the colors today. So I will show you how you can add different colors to your design system. So first of all, I will give a heading to this frame which is colors. I will take this video a bit slow so that you can understand every aspect of design system because some of you asked me to make a tutorial on this. So I am creating this design system to make you understand how we will do it. And there is one more thing that I want to tell you is before creating design system, it is good to create a mood board. So for mood board, I will give you a quick example so that you can understand what is mood board. So mood board basically it is a theme that will show how you are envisioning your product. Like what is the theme of your product, the colors, the images, the illustrations. The mood board give you an idea or give your client a idea how you are visioning their product. So here I will show you one example where you can see this. Here you can see the overall idea of the product, like which colors we will use, the theme, the fonts and all that stuff. So before creating design system, you should always create the mood board. Mood board is pretty easy. You just have to add some inspirations that you can get from Dribble, Behance or Pinterest, and then you can add colors for your app, like what theme you will follow within your app, and then you can add fonts and different illustrations or photos that will represent your app. So like that you can create the mood board. So it is the first step before the design system. So before creating design system, it is good to create a mood board because it will give you an idea how you will proceed further with the design system. Okay, so let's just move forward. Now I will just give it a heading here which is colors. You can follow along with me if you want, or you can just understand it. Now what I am going to do is I am going to add the primary colors. Some of you might get confused in these things like primary colors, secondary colors, like that. So primary colors are the colors that appear frequently in the app, or you can say it is a brand color that will appear in their logo. Okay, so it is a primary color. If you see different companies, you can see their logo. So if they are using black in their logo, that means the black is their primary color or brand color. It is a color that will appear frequently in their website or in app. I will give you an example of Nike. They use black color on their logo, and if you see their website, they are using black everywhere. So it is a primary color for them. Like you see here, the website is black and white. They have used this black color everywhere, even on their CTAs. So like that. So primary color is the color that appear frequently in your app or a website. Okay. So let's just add some primary color to this frame. So I will choose the random colors here. I will choose these two for the primary colors, or you can define only one color for the primary one, and you can define different shades of that if you want. But I will define two colors here. It's up to you if you want to define one color. It also work well. So now I will create a frame or maybe a shape. I will create a frame, that's good. Like this, and I will add the color. I have taken this demo or dummy color palette from called colors.co. You can get different color palettes from there. So I will take this one. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to give it a heading as primary color or colors. And it is recommended to add different shades of the primary color so that you can use it across your website or app. I do that frequently, but here I'm going to just use two colors and I'm not defining any shades here. You can define for yourself. So give it a heading as primary colors. Also, it is recommended to check the accessibility for all the colors you are defining on your design system, and you can add the accessibility value here as well so that your client can see it clearly. And I will also add here some drop shadow because it is a white color. Okay. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to add the code of this color on this shape. I will copy this code and paste it here. Let's just change the heading font here to something else, or maybe this is good. For this one I will also change the font, or I will just define a sans serif font for this one. Okay. So these are the primary colors here. So here I will add this color code inside of this frame. And here I will add the accessibility value. I'm just adding the random value here, which is AAA, because it will work well, because I know if we put a color white here, there will be no issues with the accessibility. Okay, so also we can add the name of this color. So you will be thinking how we can add the name of the color. So here is a website where you can name your colors. Color name generator. Just a second. Color name generator. You can pick any one of them. Okay, now what you will do here is you will just paste the color code here. Like this, and here will come the name of the color. Okay, like maniac mansion. Okay, so it will look good if you just add the name of the color like this. Okay, so now let's just move to the next one. This is better. Now I will add another color here, which is this one. This will be my other primary color, because sometimes different company use different 2 or 3 colors in their logos or on their website. So we can do that as well. So here is a color. I will copy the code and add the name of this color. You can follow along with me so that you can understand it better. White desert. Okay, these are our primary colors. Okay, I will just decrease the size of this one to something 24 and place this like this. Okay, now I will add the secondary colors here, and you might be thinking where we use the secondary colors, so I will tell you. Okay, so secondary colors provides more ways to present and distinguish your product. It means it is a mixture of your two primary colors, or we can say it will complement our primary colors, okay, and distinguish our product. So these are the secondary colors. We use them in illustrations or maybe in background or in some buttons. So basically they will distinguish our product, and these colors are the mixture of the primary colors. Okay, so let's just add some secondary colors here so that you can understand it better. Okay, let's just add the secondary color here. You can follow along with me. I'm just picking up the colors from here. Okay, so I have defined the secondary and primary colors here. Now it's time to add the neutral colors. So you might be thinking, what are neutral colors? So I will just tell you. Neutral colors are black, brown, gray, white. These colors are called neutral colors. These colors are created by mixing two complementary colors. This statement is kind of complicated, so you can just remember black, gray, white colors are all the pure neutral colors. Okay, so we can add two, three neutral colors, or we can add different shades. Like from black, we can add different shades to white. Okay, so like that. So I will add 2 to 3 shades of the neutral color so that you can understand. And these colors are used in on text or maybe in disabled buttons or links. In these places we use neutral colors. Okay, and in backgrounds, so like that. So let's just add some of the neutral colors here just for an example so that you can understand. So you can duplicate these by holding option key or alt key and drag them downwards. Like that you can duplicate different elements. Okay, so here I will add the neutral colors. So for an example, I will just take a neutral color palette from colors website for more accurate color palette, because I don't want this video to be long. I just want it to be short and informative. So let's do one thing, neutral colors. Okay, so here these colors are all the neutral colors. Okay, so I will just take this one. Here you will see the black shades. These colors are the neutral colors, and brown shades are also the neutral colors. Okay, so I will just copy this one and I will add 2 to 3 colors for that. Okay, I will add this white color. White color is for the background. Then I will add this black color, or you can take a shade lighter than the black if you don't want to use the jet black color. It is not necessary that you have to use the shade lighter than the jet black color. It's not necessary, but it is recommended because the jet black color has very high contrast, so it is kind of avoided. But you can use that. It's there is no problem for that. So here I will add the names of these as well. You can add different shades of these black or gray colors like this as well, or you can just add 3 or 4 shades. That will also work. So it's up to you, or it's up to the requirements of your client or your project. I will add only 3 just to give you an example. It's not necessary to add so many shades of black. They are added uh, just to use them wherever they needed. Okay, it's not necessary. Okay, so like this you can add neutral colors, or we can add one more shade lighter than this one. Like this. Okay, I hope you are understanding everything. If you have any doubts, you can always reach out to me in the comments or in the on the LinkedIn. Okay, I'm always available on LinkedIn. You can just reach out to me there as well. Okay, now I will add one more category of colors, which is state color. And you might be thinking, what are state colors? So these colors are used for the warning, success of or error messages that you see on different apps, like red, yellow, and green colors. These colors are called state colors. Okay, so I will add 3 of them here. I will add a red color. If you have any doubts, reach out to me on Instagram or maybe on LinkedIn or in the comments. I will be very happy to help you out for anything you might have need help with. So I will just change this red color. This is very bright. So we'll take from here. This one is nice. This one is good. This one is nice. Okay. I will add a name or maybe a usage of this as arrow messages, or just arrow, or just I will just keep this like this only. Okay, now I will add the yellow color, which will be used for the warning sign. Yellow or orange works well with the warning messages. Now I will add the success color. If you don't want to name these state colors, you can just add the name as success, warning, or arrow. That will also work. Okay, so this is done. The colors are uh, ready for the design system. I haven't used so many colors in this design system. I have used just the main ones. You can add different shades for these colors as well and for these ones as well. It's just up to you. And I hope you all guys enjoyed this video and find this helpful. And if you did, then do not forget to subscribe to my channel for more such tutorials and hit that like button. And do not forget to follow me on Instagram and LinkedIn. Link is in the description. And I will see you all in the next video. Bye bye.